guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a full face using Maybelline, and that is this look that you guys are seeing right here. Maybelline, you guys know, is my favorite drugstore brand, so listen, I had to do it. So yeah, pretty much everything that I have on my face right now is Maybelline. There are a few items that I did not use from Maybelline, which I will let you guys know in the video how and why I didn't use them, or if they even had the item available. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I create this look using only Maybelline, then just keep on watching. Okay, so hair is pinned back. So I already primed my face, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into foundation. I am going to use the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I did do a review on this, so if you guys want to see, I will link it somewhere here on the screen. It does go in a little orange, but it does oxidize really nicely, so I'm going to go ahead and apply this. The coverage on this, like I said in the review, is just amazing. So I'm going to roll with this. And you guys know Maybelline is one of my favorite drugstore brands, so, well, it is my favorite drugstore brand, because when I go to the drugstore, I pretty much don't really reach for other brands in the drugstore. So Maybelline is my go-to. Okay, so I have my foundation on, and I'm going to go in with concealer. I did pick up the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. So I've been eyeing this for a good year now, but they didn't really have that many shades. But now they have so many new shades, and I can't wait to try it. So from what I saw, this does have amazing coverage, so I'm hoping so. So yeah, let's give it a try. And I have mine in the shade Tan. Oh, okay. Dang. Okay, I see the product. It's coming. You see it there. About time. Goddamn. Okay, so I'm just going to take this with this cute little applicator, and I'm going to put it under my eye. Okay, and I'm just going to let this sit for a second. I do think the shade is going to work out nicely, but we're going to see. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend that out, and I'm just going to use my beauty blender. Does anyone know of a good cleaner for your beauty blender? I do use the Dawn soap for my brushes, but I noticed it doesn't really work good on my sponge. So if you guys know anything, let me know. I don't really want to pick up the beauty blender cleaner because it's kind of pricey, but I don't know, you guys let me know something that gets these clean, because mine is like stained, but I promise you guys I clean my sponges every time I use them. So yeah, let me go ahead and just blend this out. Oh, that dried down really quick. Oh my god. Yeah, this color is perfect. Come through coverage. I like this. Oh my gosh, the coverage. I look like a newborn baby, okay? So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and set that. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I did use this once a while ago, but I haven't really picked it back up, so I'm hoping I like it. So far it looks good, but we're going to actually leave this here while I jump into the eyes. So for the eyes, Maybelline, I don't know if it's just the Walmart that I was at, but I tried Ulta as well. I didn't see any matte eyeshadows. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm going to have to go ahead and use some transition colors that I already have, because all I saw was shimmers, and I'm not putting shimmers in my crease. So first I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids, and I'm going to take a little bit of that Age Rewind concealer and put that on my lids. Okay, so now that I have my base down, now I'm going to just quickly go in and apply some transition colors. I'm not going to mention what they are, mainly because they're not Maybelline. Like I said, they didn't have any mattes. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw in some transition colors. I'm going to use this Maybelline shadow in the shade Acid Rain, which is a pretty blue color. I'm not exactly sure how this is going to show up on my lid, so let's hope it's amazing because I don't have any other options. But this is how it looks swatched. Okay, pretty. And then if I just swatch it down my hand, I mean, it's cute. So we're going to see how this looks on my lid. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Morphe M167. And I'm going to go ahead and spray it with a little bit of my Kat Von D spray, just to get a little wet. It's cute. It's not my favorite formula of eyeshadow, but for a drugstore, it's definitely getting the job done. And I have never even really heard anything about Maybelline eyeshadows, which is kind of strange because this isn't, it's not bad. And I want to say this was like, it was less than $3, so if this is good, I'm going to have to go back and pick up some. And now I'm going to go in with the clean blending brush, and I'm going to blend that out so that there's no harsh edges. And now I want to go in and apply some mascara. I'm going to use my Maybelline Lash Discovery Mascara. I have already used this on my channel a few videos back, but I absolutely love this. It's really great for your lower lashes, but since I'm putting on falsies, I'm just going to use it for my top lashes as well. Now I'm going to go in and sweep that powder off of my face. The powder kind of just like melted into my skin. Like, I feel like I'm sweeping it away, but there's nothing for me to sweep away. It like melted into my skin. I do see that it didn't really catch that blue fallout under my eye. And I am going to set the rest of my face using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 360 Mocha. Another thing that I could not find at the drugstore for Maybelline was something to contour with. Like, the concealers were pretty much almost mostly stopped at my shade, so I couldn't contour with it. The powder stopped at my shade, so it was kind of hard to find a powder to contour with. So I'm just going to use a powder that I have here, which is my Shea Moisture powder, to contour and bronze up my face. And for blush, I want to use my Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Berry. And I'm going to go ahead, tap that off, and apply. This is such a beautiful blush. I don't like to like stamp it right here. I really like to follow my contour with my blush. It makes my contour pop more. So the lashes I am wearing are from Huda Beauty in the shade Sasha, number 11 Sasha. So these are a bit dramatic, but I love them. I love me a dramatic lash. So yeah. So the only thing I can say is that I'm a little annoyed by is that powder that I put down. It didn't stop this blue eyeshadow from just sticking there. So that's a little thing that's kind of like about the powder. But we're just going to keep it moving. I'm going to try to get this from up under my eye. You know what? It's just stuck there. So we're just going to keep it moving. So I'm going to go ahead and I don't know what I want to do to my lower eyes. I'm going to take some more of that Sienna by Anastasia and put that under my eye. Because I don't want to turn this to like a smoky look, so I'm not going to put the blue down here. No, I'm just going to serve y'all lash today, okay? So I'm just going to go back in with my Maybelline Lash Discovery and pour these babies out. So I'm going to go in and highlight, and I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Chrome. You guys know I love this stuff. And I'm going to take my Morphe M501 and I'm just going to bathe in this. Oh, oh! I didn't really mean bathe, but since we're there, okay. Since we're going to go there, listen. It's like business in the front, party on the side. So I really didn't mean to put that much, but since we're going to go there, so this is what I was going for, and then I came here. So let's just take it there, shall we? Let's just take it. This is the best highlighter in the drugstore. Oh my gosh. She had got her rest last night because she usually don't come like this. Okay, since we going there, let's take it all the way there. No, seriously, I use this a lot. She usually don't come like this. I don't know if because I clean my brush or she actually cleans, so she acted up. But okay, a little bronze goddess, bronze. Okay, and for my lip, I'm telling you guys, I have been wearing this lip non-stop lately, okay? Like non-stop. It is Nude Embrace by Maybelline, of course. Listen, this is like kind of like my Velvet Teddy, but not my Velvet Teddy. This is just bomb. Oh my gosh. Yes, Maybelline. Like this nude lip is like perfect. Like it's not too nude, but it's not like brown either. It's just perfect. Now you do need a lip liner with this, because if you don't, it ain't gonna be that cute. Would you look at that? Listen, Maybelline is killing the drugstore. Like, I can't think of any other drugstore brand that is messing with Maybelline right now. That highlight. Oh! Okay, and I'm going to set my face. I didn't see, well, maybe I just went to the wrong store, but I didn't see anything that was like mattifying for face setting. It was more like luminizing face spray, and Michi, I am oily, so I cannot be using anything luminizing. So I'm just going to go ahead with my Kat Von D and set this face. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you all like it. I absolutely love how the look turned out. It's bold because I do have blue on my lid, but it's still like, it's not giving me too much because I didn't put anything on my lower lash line. I pretty much just put mascara and a little bit of brown shadow. But I absolutely love the way this look turned out. So a few of my favorite items that I used in this video are, of course, my Maybelline Master Chrome. You guys have seen me use this previously in the past, but I love it. As you guys can see, like, I did go a little overboard and put a lot on. I absolutely love this. This is probably the best this is the best highlighter in the drugstore. And one of the newer items that I use that I actually like is going to be the concealer, the Instant Age Rewind concealer. I actually really like this. The coverage is really nice. I do have a few breakouts that I don't remember being there, like a few bumps. I have 1, 2, 3. I have about I have a few little bumps going on in this area. I don't think they were there when I started this video. You guys let me know. But I do absolutely love this. The coverage is really nice. I do see myself using it again. I like it. And the blue eyeshadow, it's pretty good. I want to say at Walmart it's like $2.98, which this is a pretty big pan, and the color came out really nice on my eyes, so I will definitely be picking up some more of these. And of course, I love this lipstick. Absolute favorite, and it is again the Nude Embrace by Maybelline. All this stuff was Maybelline. The few items that weren't Maybelline, I did mention them, and I did mention why I didn't use the Maybelline item for it. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. If you guys want to see any other brands that you want me to do here, a full makeup tutorial, or let's say like Anastasia or any other brand, just let me know. I will be sure to get through that on my channel, and I will go ahead and put up a review on this hair as well. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.